What's going on over here? What's happening over here? I like how Ethel's just laying there like she ain't done nothing wrong. It's just Lucy, Dad. I haven't done anything. You know y'all got to get another bath. What's wrong? You haven't done anything? You're innocent? Right. That's Lucy's hole. What's this one back here? Is that Ethel's hole? Lord, Lord. Y'all starting to wear down, I can tell. Y'all been going at it out here for about an hour now. Well, y'all have fun. I'm going back to the garden. Don't be going inside till I can wash you off.